Hello, this is Deanne from Small But Kinda Mighty. Welcome to part 3 of my crochet sock tutorial. By the end of this video you will know how to make my favourite crochet ribbing. It's stretchy and it bounces back into shape. I'm going to demonstrate how to crochet the ribbed cuff of a sock, but you can also use this ribbing to finish other projects like top-down hats. If you're interested specifically in making a toe-up crochet sock, then make sure you first watch these 2 videos and download a copy of my toe-up crochet sock pattern. All the links you need are in the description box below. If you don't yet have a copy of my crochet toe-up sock pattern, keep watching because I've got an awesome surprise if you watch this video to the end. In the next part of this sock tutorial, I will demonstrate how to crochet the heel of the sock. So if you don't want to miss part 4, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I realised after re-watching part 2 of this series that I hadn't shown you how to do an extended single crochet decrease. As an example of when and why you might need to do this, when I was making this sock, after the heel break, the leg of the sock was too baggy around my ankle. So I decreased at the edges of the sock using the same method we used for the increases when we made the toe piece. For an extended single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through just the first loop on your hook, then yarn over and pull through both loops. For a decrease, insert your hook underneath the front loop only of the first stitch. Then insert your hook under the front loop only of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through just the first loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops. I'll show you that again. Insert your hook under the front loop only of the first stitch, then under the front loop only of the second stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop on your hook, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. Now let's do round 1 of our cuff. Slip stitch into the first stitch of the round. I'm using a contrasting colour for my toe, cuff and heel piece, so I'm slip stitching with my new colour. Then chain 2. After the chain 2, we're going to make a double crochet in the exact same stitch as the chain 2. To do that, yarn over, insert your hook in that same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. Now proceed to make a double crochet in each stitch of the round. In round 2, we're going to start the ribbing by alternating front post double crochet and back post double crochet. Normally, we place our hook under the head of the crochet stitch. The head is the V at the top of a crochet stitch and consists of the front loop and the back loop. Underneath the head is the body or the post of the stitch. The only difference between a front or back post double crochet and a regular double crochet is that the hook is placed around the post rather than underneath the head of the stitch. We're going to start round 2 by making a front post double crochet around both the chain 2 and the first double crochet from round 1. Yarn over as usual, then from the front of the fabric put your hook around the chain 2 and post of the first double crochet, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. Next, a back post double crochet. Yarn over, from the back of the fabric, bring your hook around the post of the second double crochet from round 1. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops on your hook. The next stitch is a front post double crochet. Yarn over, from the front of the fabric, insert your hook around the post and bring it back to the front of the fabric. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. For the next, yarn over, then from the back of the fabric, bring your hook around the post to the back of the fabric. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Finish round 2 by continuing to alternate front post and back post double crochet. You will now repeat round 2 until the cuff is as tall as you want it. The only difference between round 3 and subsequent rounds and round 2 is that it's much easier to identify whether you need to work a front or a back post double crochet. A back post double crochet, like this one here, will have the post pushed towards the back of the fabric. Whereas with a front post double crochet, the post is clearly visible at the front of the fabric. I'll show you how to finish off your cuff once it's tall enough. Continue working front post and back post double crochet across the first half of the round. Work a final front post double crochet followed by the final back post double crochet. Then work a front post half double crochet. Yarn over. From the front of the fabric, insert your hook around the post. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Next, a back post half double crochet. Yarn over. From the back of the fabric, insert your hook around the post. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now a front post single crochet, insert your hook under the post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops, followed by a back post single crochet. Slip stitch into the next stitch and then break your yarn. Congratulations for making it to the end of the video. If you don't yet have a copy of my toe up crochet pattern, head to the link in the description box below and add the pattern to your cart. Sign in as a return customer or register as a new customer. I ask you to do this so if I ever change or update any of my patterns, even the free ones, you will automatically receive the revised version. If you get there quickly, use the discount code YTSOCK at checkout and you will get a copy of the pattern for free. After all the free codes have been used up, you can continue to use YTSOCK to receive 15% off the cost of the pattern. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you're enjoying my crochet videos. If you are, please remember to give this one a like, subscribe to my channel, and share my crochet videos with your crafting friends. Take care. Speak with you soon.